Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about sp3 hybridization. If you want to learn about sp and sp2 hybridization, you can watch my previous videos, and now we are going to learn about sp3 hybridization. What? sp3 hybridization. Okay, what is sp3 hybridization? The intermixing of one s orbital and three p orbital combines to form how much? 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. That means one s orbital and 3 p orbitals combines to form 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. Okay. Now what is the shape of this sp3 hybridization? Tetrahedral. What? Tetrahedral. What is bond angle? Bond angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes. Okay, 109 degrees. And now what is S character? S character and P character. How much is S character? That is 25%. And what is P character? 75%. If you add this both, you will be getting 100%, and that 100% is for whole sp3 hybridization. Okay, now you take one s orbital and what? 3 p orbitals. How much? 3 p of px, py, px and pz combines to form 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. Right? Now we'll see how the hybridization is going on by taking an example, that is methane. What is the example for sp3 hybridization? Methane. Okay. Always whenever you are calculating the hybridization should be started and taken with the central atom. In this CH4, what is the central atom? Carbon, right? What is the atomic number of carbon? 6. What is the hybridization? 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, right? What? 1s orbital should be present and 3 p orbitals should be present, but you are having only 2. That means this electron gets excited. And what is the excited state electronic configuration? 1s2, 2s1 and 2p3. That means in s orbital 1 electron and in p orbital, each orbital 1 electron. This one s, this is px, py and pz, and these three combine to form 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. Now it is being overlapped with which one? Hydrogen. What is the hydrogen electronic configuration? 1s, right? That means this each sp3 hybrid orbitals is being overlapped with one s orbital of hydrogen. What? Here it is being overlapped with, hybridized with hydrogen, that is of s orbital. Again this px with another hydrogen. Again this h with another hydrogen. This again this orbital with another hydrogen. And they forms sigma sp3s. Right? How s you are getting here? Here one hybrid orbital of sp3. It is being overlapped with which orbital? S orbital of hydrogen. Right? Here sp3, one orbital of carbon is being overlapped with s orbital of hydrogen. Just you remember, one hybrid orbital of sp3 is being overlapped with hydrogen, that is of s orbital. Okay, this is how you are getting, and here the sigma bond is formed is sp3s. Right, now we will see what is the shape of the CH4 molecule. Okay, what is the shape of CH4 molecule? Okay, carbon, hydrogen, one hydrogen, another hydrogen and another hydrogen. The angle between these two is 109 degrees 28 minutes. Okay, you can either write it in the another diagrammatic way, that is okay, this is carbon, right, each with hydrogen of s orbital, hydrogen, hydrogen and hydrogen. Now the bond angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes. Okay, what sp3 hybridization? One s orbital and 3 p orbitals combines to form 4 sp2 hybridization. What is its shape? Tetrahedral. What is its bond angle? 109 degrees 28 minutes. Bond angle 109 degrees 28 minutes. S character 25%, P character 75%. And how is the shape it is getting? Okay, sp3 and another sp3. And what is the example? CH4. How it is getting hybridized and what is the shape? This is the shape. Okay, I hope you understand this sp, sp2, sp3 hybridizations, and thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to the online Pathashala.